Square roots and cube roots, exercise 6.3, part 3. Today we will discuss some working problems and estimation of square roots of non-perfect square numbers. A gardener wishes to plant 8 to 89 plants in the form of a square and found that there were 8 plants left. How many plants were planted in each row? Because the plants were planted in the shape of a square, the number of rows and the number of columns should be equal. The number of plants the gardener wanted to plant is equal to 8 to 89, but the number of plants left are, so number of plants left is equal to 8. So what is the actual number of plants he planted? 8 to 89 minus 8. So 8 to 81 is the actual number of plants that were planted. So if we find the square root of 8 to 81, then we'll find out the number of rows. Therefore, we'll find the square root of 8 to 81 using division method. 9 nines are 81, 1 remaining. So, we'll bring this 81 down. 9 twos are 18 and box has 1. So, 181 ones are 181. So, the remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 8 to 81 is 91. So, therefore, the number of plants planted in each row equal to 91. Find the least perfect square with 4 digits. What is the least 4 digit number? It is 1000. First, let us try to find out the square root of 1000 using division method. 3 threes are 9, 1 is the remainder. We bring these two zeros down. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 61 ones are 61, remainder is 39. Okay. So if we subtract this remainder from 1000, it becomes 961. Okay. If we find out the square root of 961, we get 31. 31 is the square root of 961. Therefore, 31 square is 961 and 32 square is 1024. Therefore, 1024 is the least perfect square with 4 digits, because 961 is a 3-digit square. So, what is the next square? It is 1024. After 31 we get 32. So, 32 square is 1024. So 1024 is the least perfect square with 4 digits. Find the least number which must be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square. First, let us try to find the square root of 6412 by division method. 8 8s are 64, remainder is 12, 160 zeros are 0. So 80 is the quotient. So remainder is 12 here. So what is 80 square? It is 6400. Okay, it is less than 6412. Okay, what is 81 square? We'll find the next square to 80. So what is 81 square? 81 square is 6561. So 6561 is the next square number. So 6561 minus, what is the given number in the question? 6412. So 6561 minus 6412, the difference is 149. So this 149 should be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square, which is 6561. So the answer is 149. Estimate the value of the following numbers to the nearest whole number. Root 97. So we know that 97 lies between 81 and 100. What is 81? It is 9 square. So what is 100? It is 10 square. So 97 lies between 9 square and 10 square. That means square root of 97 lies between 9 and 10. So square root of 97 lies between 9 and 10. But we have to find out the difference here. The difference between 97 and 81 and 97 and 100. So 97 and 81, the difference is 16. 100 and 97, the difference is only 3. So 97 is closer to 100 than it is to 81. So 97 is closer to 100, hence the approximate value of root 97 is 10. The approximate value of root 97 is 10. That is the answer here. Similarly, root 250. So we know that 250 lies between 225 and 256. What is 225? It is 15 square. What is 256? It is 16 square. So it lies between 15 square and 16 square. So root of 250 lies between 15 and 16. So let us find the difference again. 250 minus 225. 250 minus 225 is 25. 256 minus 250 is 6. So 6 is smaller. So 256 is closer to 250. So the approximate value of square root of 250 is 16. 16 is the answer. Root 780. 780 lies between 729 and 784, that is 27 square and 28 square. Therefore, the square root of 780 must lie between 27 and 28. Which is closer to 780, 729 or 784? 784 is closer to 780. Therefore, the approximate value of square root of 780 is 28. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.